Yo, D-Stock, your big boy Bay, back at it again. And today I think we're going to deconstruct something much more mellow. We're going to do a Be My Somebody by Sfarzo Rtee. But injeke, asuze ukuthi injeke, aspo, D-Stock, asingene. Love it. So the song is in E flat, D sharp minor, and the progression is a pretty simple one. So the song starts at 6, then 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, sharp 6, 4, 5, sharp 6, 4, 5, sharp 6. Very simple, you know? The piano here is literally holding a part of the groove. It's not going to change much. It doesn't really dictate the harmonic, but it actually holds the harmonic together with the groove. Because the groove is just simple. 6, 6, 5, 4, ba-da-dee, you know? And you as a musician, you can accept the song as is and just play them like. Then 4, 5, sharp 6. Oh, but if you want to really explore it, and actually that's the point I want to actually get to the song. This song is very much explorable. You can do a whole lot of things because of you just playing around with 4 chords. So it allows your imagination to add a bit of extra there and there. So a typical example would be something like, just playing normal now. Now let's spice it up. So you guys are probably wondering what I did there, and we're just going to go through a young lesson. So what I did, I just understood Guti. My main, I don't know if you guys watched my previous video when I was talking about music is all about your starting point and your destination. So as I said, my starting point will be 6, and then I'm going to another destination point, which is my 4, a harmonic point. But then my pivot is going to be the 5 and the sharp 5 movement. So when I mean sharp 5 and 5 movement, it's this sound. See? Ba, ba, ba. So once we have our destinations, our starts, our pivotals, you know, we can play around with it. And that's it, simple chords. So instead of just hitting a normal 6 here, you can substitute it, your 6 with your 5. So you hold your 5 on your right hand, you hold the 6 on your left hand, it will sound like this. Or if you want to extend the 6 and make it much more jazzier, you can go to this chord. And even this chord flavors nicely, because with this chord you can go like, then go minor. You know what I'm saying? Just play around with it. Another way you can actually play this song is to substitute your 4. So we already did our 6 substitutions, which is you can play it like this, you can play a 6 like this, you can play it like, this, you can even play it like, or you can even hit it on a major. You know, you can do a whole lot of things with the 6. And we just went through the substitutions. Now let's play around with our 4. So our 4 is this key. So 2 ways 4s can be play around with. My first thing when I always play around with 4 is not actually to hit the 4, but actually use the augmented. So instead of hitting the, then sharp 4. It's still giving that 4 flavor because of your high harmonics. The 6 and 6 chord, you know, it's giving that harmonics. And the only thing I did on my left hand is to play the sharp 4. And it gives this nice flavor of, like a nice suspended flavor. But one thing I like about this chord wants you to move not only to a resolving key, but it actually allows you to move into another passing. And then we can hit the 5 sharp passing. So we started 6, then sharp 4, sharp 5. Know what I'm saying? So, as I said, this song, very simple, very complex, but it allows you to explore. So I want you guys to explore. So let's recap. What can we do to change up the song, to deconstruct it nicely? We know that the song starts at 6, goes 4, 5, 6. What can we add? We can add the 6 substitutions, so it will sound like this. Then 5, sharp 4, sharp 6, then 3. You know what I'm saying? As long as you hit the, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. As long as you hit that ending destination, you'll be fine. So, as I said, not a lot to deconstruct in the song, but I think we could pick up a lot from what we can substitute, you know, play around with our substitutions, go crazy with the song, you know? And yeah, I hope this was enough for you guys to get tantalized, you know, in those simple progressions, allow you to explore more, and I'll check you out on the next song.